Alright, here we are doing some professional window cleaning in Anacortes today. I'll knock out one of these windows with you. These are super old windows on a church that haven't been cleaned in like 10 years, they said, so. We're gonna knock these out. But we do all window cleaning out of Bellingham, all surrounding areas, like here in McConnor, Burlington, Mount Vernon, all over. These have had a lot of paint on them, and because it's been 10 years, there's some paint on the inside. I'm going to give these a quick razor and these all Triumph razors. And on these old ones, it's hard to get under there, so I give it a quick little wipe, make sure we get under there. And here's the time when you need to know how to squeegee left-handed up on a ladder. Bunch of tracks. Make sure you get in there real good. There's some clean windows. Got some paint inside there we'll hit, and then if you miss any spots, this is a good trick Steve-O, the window cleaner, taught me. There's just a dry piece of steel wool, and